In the hushed corridors of time, a whisper echoes from the annals of history. History always unveils captivating chapters, revealing unexpected twists woven into the tapestry of our past. Join us on this clandestine journey through time, where secrets are unveiled in the softest of murmurs. Number 7. In the 19th century, doctors often prescribed morphine-laced elixirs to treat various ailments, including common coughs and colds. These elixirs, widely available without a prescription, inadvertently led to widespread addiction issues. The addictive nature of these medicinal preparations contributed to the opioid crisis of the time. Number 6. In ancient China, porcelain makers discovered a unique ingredient for creating a distinctive shade of blue in their pottery. They used powdered cobalt, which, when fired in the kiln, produced a vibrant blue color. This innovation not only elevated the aesthetic appeal of Chinese ceramics, but also made China blue a sought-after commodity in trade with other civilizations. Number 5. In the 16th century, chocolate gained popularity in European courts, but not in the sweet form we know today. It was consumed as a bitter and spicy beverage. To make it more palatable, people added exotic spices such as chili, vanilla, and even ambergris. The sweet transformation of chocolate happened later with the addition of sugar in the 17th century. Number 4. In medieval Europe, the belief in mythical creatures extended to the natural world. People collected and treasured what they believed to be unicorn horns, often actually narwhal tusks. These unicorn horns were thought to possess magical properties and were highly valued for their supposed ability to neutralize poisons. The demand for these horns contributed to the myth of the unicorn's existence. Number 3. During the Victorian era, women's fashion took an extreme turn with the introduction of tight lacing or corsetry. Women wore tightly laced corsets to achieve the coveted hourglass figure. The pursuit of this exaggerated silhouette often led to health issues, including difficulty breathing and damage to internal organs. The fashion trend persisted despite its physical toll on the wearers. Number 2. In medieval Japan, the samurai practiced a unique form of etiquette called tessenjutsu, where they wielded iron war fans not only for cooling in hot weather, but also as concealed weapons. These fans were adorned with sharp blades and could be used in combat to surprise adversaries. The art of tessenjutsu blended practicality with elegance in the samurai code. Number 1. During the 18th century in Europe, snuff boxes became fashionable accessories among the elite. These small containers held finely ground tobacco, which individuals would sniff for a quick nicotine hit. The act of taking snuff became a social ritual, with ornate snuff boxes becoming status symbols among the aristocracy.